Have you ever tried a dish that made you stop and think, wow, what is this incredible combination? It's like a symphony of flavors dancing on your palate, each bite revealing a new layer of taste and texture. That, my friends, is the magic of fusion food. It's where culinary traditions from different parts of the world come together to create something extraordinary. It's about taking familiar flavors and ingredients and giving them a twist. Imagine the zest of Mexican cuisine meeting the subtle elegance of Japanese dishes. This creates something totally new and exciting. It's a culinary adventure that invites you to explore and discover. Fusion food is more than just a trend. It's a movement that celebrates innovation and creativity in the kitchen. It's a celebration of global cultures and culinary creativity. Think about it. Every dish tells a story of cultures blending and traditions merging. You can explore the world through your taste buds. From spicy kimchi quesadillas that bring a Korean twist to a Mexican favorite to aromatic Thai basil pesto pasta that combines the best of Italian and Thai cuisines, the possibilities are endless. Fusion cuisine is all about breaking the rules and having fun in the kitchen. It's about experimenting and not being afraid to mix things up. It encourages us to try new things and to appreciate the diversity of flavors our planet offers. It's a delicious way to learn about different cultures and traditions. So, are you ready to embark on a delicious adventure? Are you ready to let your taste buds travel the world? Let's dive into the exciting world of fusion food. It's a journey you won't want to miss. Fusion food isn't just about mixing ingredients, it's about connecting cultures. Imagine Korean bulgogi tacos or Japanese-inspired Italian arancini. Each bite tells a story of culinary exchange and shared traditions. Global trade and migration have played a huge role in shaping fusion cuisine. Think of the Silk Road, where spices and ingredients journeyed across continents. This exchange of flavors gave birth to iconic dishes and cooking techniques. Today we live in a world where culinary boundaries are constantly being pushed. Chefs and home cooks alike are experimenting with flavors from different corners of the globe. This has led to a vibrant and diverse culinary landscape that's constantly evolving. The roots of fusion food run deep in history. Think back to ancient civilizations and the blending of culinary traditions through trade and conquest. For example, the arrival of tomatoes in Italy from the Americas led to the creation of classic Italian tomato sauces. The fusion movement gained momentum in the late 20th century. Chefs started to experiment with ingredients and techniques from different cultures. This culinary fusion reflected a world becoming increasingly interconnected. Today, fusion cuisine is a global phenomenon. It's not just about high-end restaurants, it's part of our everyday lives. Think food trucks serving up Korean BBQ burritos or cafes offering matcha lattes with a hint of cardamom. One of the most exciting things about fusion food is the endless possibilities for flavor combinations. It's like having a global pantry at your fingertips. Take, for instance, the bright and tangy flavors of Southeast Asian cuisine. Lemongrass, ginger, and chilies add a zesty kick to everything from marinades to curries. Then you have the rich and earthy flavors of Latin America. Think cumin, coriander, and smoked paprika. These spices bring warmth and depth to dishes. Combining them with Asian ingredients like coconut milk or fish sauce creates something truly special. The key to successful fusion cooking is all about balance. It's about understanding how different flavors interact and complement each other. Don't be afraid to experiment and let your taste buds guide you. Let's talk about some iconic fusion dishes that have taken the world by storm. First up, we have the sushi burrito, a match made in culinary heaven. This California creation combines the beloved flavors of Japanese sushi with the convenience and portability of a burrito. Next, we have jerk chicken pasta, a dish that beautifully blends Caribbean and Italian flavors. The spicy and smoky jerk seasoning infuses the pasta with incredible depth, while creamy Parmesan cheese adds a touch of richness. And let's not forget about Thai green curry pizza, a fusion masterpiece that combines the best of both worlds. The crispy pizza crust provides the perfect base for the aromatic and flavorful green curry sauce, topped with fresh cilantro and a squeeze of lime. Latin America is a treasure trove of fusion inspiration. The region's culinary landscape is a vibrant tapestry woven from indigenous traditions and influences from Europe, Africa, and Asia. Each country offers its own unique take on fusion cuisine, making it a paradise for food lovers. Think vibrant ceviches with a Japanese twist, incorporating yuzu or ponzu sauce for a citrusy kick. This fusion not only enhances the flavor but also adds a refreshing complexity to the dish, making it a delightful experience for the palate. Or imagine traditional empanadas filled with Korean bulgogi or Thai red curry. These innovative fillings bring a new dimension to the classic empanada, blending the savory and spicy elements of Asian cuisine with the comforting, flaky pastry of Latin America. The combination of familiar Latin American flavors with Asian influences creates a symphony of taste. Chefs are constantly experimenting, pushing the boundaries of traditional recipes to create something truly extraordinary. Moving on to Asia, the fusion scene is incredibly diverse. From bustling street food markets to high-end restaurants, the region is a melting pot of culinary traditions. Each dish tells a story of cultural exchange and innovation. In Vietnam, banh mi sandwiches often feature French baguettes filled with Vietnamese ingredients like pickled vegetables and grilled meats. This iconic sandwich is a perfect example of how colonial history has shaped the local cuisine, resulting in a delicious blend of flavors and textures. Indonesian cuisine is another example, with its Dutch influences evident in dishes like rijstafel. This elaborate meal, consisting of multiple small dishes, showcases the rich and diverse culinary heritage of Indonesia, influenced by centuries of trade and colonization. Finally, let's not forget about Africa, where culinary traditions are rich and varied. The continent's diverse cultures and histories have given rise to a wide array of fusion dishes that are both flavorful and unique. Moroccan tagines, for example, often incorporate dried fruits and spices, reflecting the influence of ancient trade routes. These slow-cooked stews are a testament to the country's rich culinary history and its ability to blend different flavors harmoniously. From North African couscous dishes with Mediterranean flavors to South African bunny chow, inspired by Indian cuisine, the possibilities are endless. Each dish is a celebration of cultural fusion, showcasing the creativity and adaptability of chefs around the world. Now that we've explored the wonderful world of fusion food, it's time to get cooking. Fusion cuisine is an exciting way to bring new flavors and techniques into your kitchen. Don't be intimidated. Fusion cooking is all about having fun and experimenting. Gather your loved ones and make it a group activity. Start with simple recipes and gradually get more adventurous. Begin with dishes that you are already comfortable with and add a twist. One of the easiest ways to incorporate fusion flavors into your cooking is to experiment with sauces and marinades. They can transform a dish instantly. For instance, try making a Vietnamese-inspired dipping sauce with fish sauce, lime juice, sugar, and chilies. This combination offers a perfect balance of salty, sour, sweet, and spicy flavors. It's incredibly versatile and can be used for everything from spring rolls to grilled meats. The possibilities are endless. Presentation is key when it comes to fusion cuisine. A well-presented dish can elevate the dining experience. Use contrasting colors and textures to make your dishes visually appealing. Think about how different elements can complement each other. Don't be afraid to get creative with garnishes and plating. Edible flowers, microgreens, and unique plating techniques can add a wow factor. After all, we eat with our eyes first. A beautiful dish can make the meal even more enjoyable. So, go ahead and unleash your inner fusion chef. Experiment with different ingredients and techniques. You might be surprised at the culinary masterpieces you can create. The world of fusion cuisine is vast and full of delicious possibilities.